Hello students, in this video we are going to see how to design a concrete mix. For making things clear, I have decided to make this video as question and answer format. So first question is there any need to design a concrete mix? Why I am raising this question is that even there is a table number 9 in our IS 456 codebook which provides a proportions for M5 to M20 grades of concrete. Even nowadays we are using a higher grade of concrete, and we are using a material which may or may not be differ from the standard material which is used to derive these proportions. So again, this proportion is only for zone 2 of fine aggregate, so we must need to design the concrete mix, right? Next, if it is yes, is there is a need now? Is there any laboratory test need to be conducted? Yes, we already mentioned that the property of a material will not be same at all places, so that we need to test the property of the constituent materials, which are maybe cement, sand, coarse aggregate and water. The many laboratory tests are there to ascertain the property of the constituent materials. Some important tests are consistency test, setting time test, and specific gravity test for cement, and gradation, specific gravity and density tests for aggregates. Here, gradation tests of aggregates are used to find out the size of aggregates as well as to finding out the zone of a fine aggregate. Then specific gravity of both the materials are used to find out the specific gravity which will be used to in the design of a concrete mix, because we are using the density based mix design based on our IS code. And the IS code used for the design the concrete mix is IS 10262 of 2009, which are also mentioned in the syllabus. The next question is design a concrete mix of grade M25. I have taken an example to explain you about the designing a concrete mix, so that I decided to design a M25 grade of concrete. Some stipulations for proportioning I need. So some of them are grade designation, type of cement, maximum nominal size of aggregate, and minimum size, some more stipulations are there. So grade designation is M25. Then type of cement, I take it as OPC 53 grade of concrete cement. Then maximum nominal size of aggregate. Nowadays normally the construction purposes we use the 20 mm size of aggregate for flooring and roofing purposes. So for that purpose I am also using the same 20 mm size of aggregate. Then minimum cement content, I take it as 300 kg per meter cube. I have taken this from the IS 456 codes table number 5, which will be shown to you in the future slides. Then workability, I take workability as medium workability. Then exposure condition, it is one of the important parameter to design a concrete mix, because the mix which will be exposed into various environmental conditions which was given in the class 8.2.2.1 and table 3 of IS 456 code. I have taken the table from the code. If it is for mild exposure condition, in the sense the concrete surfaces which are protected against weather or aggressive conditions, except those situated in the coastal area, is taken as mild condition. Again, concrete surfaces sheltered from severe rain and freezing, whilst wet concrete exposed to the condensation and rain is taken as a moderate condition. Again, the environmental conditions varies from mild to extreme condition. So I have taken the moderate condition of exposure. For that purpose, I have to design a concrete mix. Even some of the zones or areas maybe fall into the severe condition or very severe condition, we need to take the grades of concrete and from the code IS 456 codes table number 5. Again I will be showing the code in the future slide. Then degree of supervision is good. I assume the degree of supervision will be good. Then the type of aggregate, the aggregate which will be tested previously to finding out the property of aggregate is angular coarse aggregate. So for that I am also mentioning the same in the design stipulation. Next, test data for the materials. We are using the, I already mentioned that we are doing the density based mixed design, so that I have mentioned just specific gravity values of the materials only in the test data for the materials. Again, next, target wind strength calculation for the mixed proportioning. We are having IS 10262 code, and for that code, in table number 1 of that code, they are mentioning the standard deviation for the code for the various grades of concrete. Again, for M25 grade of concrete, it is mentioned as 4. I have mentioned on the calculation also. Again, the target strength calculation part, there is a formula FCK dash is equal to FCK plus 1.65 times S. S is the standard deviation. FCK is the characteristic compressive strength of a concrete at 28 days in megapascal, which is 25 in our case. Then I use 25 plus 1.65 times 4, which is 31.6 megapascals. We need to design the concrete mix which will be giving 31.6 megapascal of strength after 28 days of queuing. We are going to do the same. Then selection of water cement ratio. I already mentioned that the exposure condition is moderate. Nowadays all the roofs are reinforced concrete, made up of reinforced concrete. I use the reinforced concrete also. Then the minimum grade for the moderate condition is M25. I am designing the same, so the minimum grade criteria for the moderate exposure is satisfied. Then minimum cement content I already mentioned in the stipulation also, which is 300 kilogram per meter cube of concrete. It is 300 kg needed. Then maximum water cement ratio is 0.5. I have mentioned that maximum water cement ratio is 0.5. I have taken water cement ratio as 0.45, which will be less for us. Next one is selection of water content. From table 2 of IS 10262, the maximum water content for the 20 mm aggregate as 186 liters or kg per meter cube. Then from the class 4.2 of same code book, it will be mentioned that this table 2 is for angular coarse aggregate and for 25 to 50 mm of slump range only. So again, in the same class, it is mentioned that the required water content may be established by trial and an increase by about 3% for every additional 25 mm slump. So we are mentioning the slump as medium slump, so we are increasing the slump as slump to 100 mm. So we are increasing the water content by 6%, because it is for 50 mm it is the mentioned as 186 liters. Again by adding 6%, it is 197.13 liter per meter cube. Again by adapting the water content, we adapt the water content as 153 liters. Then calculation of cement content. Water cement ratio is 0.45. Cement content for the 153 liters is 340 kg per meter cube. Again I am proportioning the coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. From table 3 of IS 10262, again for zone number 2, for 20 mm aggregate, it is proportion of volume of coarse aggregate is 0.62. This approximate values are given in the table number 3 is only for the water cement ratio of 0.5. We are using here 0.45 water cement ratio. If there is a change in a water cement ratio other than 0.5, the rate of minus or plus 0.01 is changed for every plus or minus 0.05 change in the water cement ratio. Then we are again changing the this proportion of volume of aggregate. Again the pumping, if pumping is done, then 10% up to 10% will be reduced. Again I adding a adjustment of water due to water cement ratio is 0.01, because for minus 0.05 it is a change of water content will increase the 0.01 percentage of coarse aggregate, so that I adding the 0.01. so corrected proportion is 0.63. again I reducing 0.063, which is 10% of volume of coarse aggregate due to the pumping. Again the proportion of volume of coarse aggregate is 0.57. then remaining proportion in the all in aggregate, which is 0.43, is fine aggregate. Next, volume calculation of all materials. Volume of concrete is 1 meter cube. We are designing whenever we design a concrete mix, we are going to design the 1 meter cube of concrete. Then volume of cement in meter cube, it is calculated by the formula of weight by specific gravity, then a conversion factor of multiplied by the conversion factor of 1/1000. again it is calculated as 0.109 meter cube. Volume of water is also calculated by the same formula as 0.153. then volume of all in aggregate, I need to know about how much volume the aggregate will consume in the concrete, which is the sum of other materials will be deducted from the total volume of concrete. So 1 minus 0.109 minus 0.153, which is 0.738. then volume of coarse aggregate. In the total volume of aggregate, 57% is coarse aggregate and 43% is fine aggregate. Here for the volume of 0.738, coarse aggregate is 57%, which is 0.421 meter cube. Again for fine aggregate it is 43%, which is 0.317 meter cube. Then weight of fine aggregate I have to calculate, and then volume of fine aggregate, specific gravity, and the conversion factor 1000, which is 840.05 kg I have calculated. Then I have to proportion the coarse aggregate into two different types of coarse aggregate. One is 20 mm aggregate, another one is 12.5 mm aggregate, which I provide as 60-40 ratio. Then 20 mm aggregate I calculated as 707.28, and weight of 12.5 mm aggregate is calculated as 464.78. then I have to proportioning the concrete mix, cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate 20 mm and coarse aggregate 12.5 mm in water. Then now I write all the weight of all the materials. Cement is 340, fine aggregate is 840.05, coarse aggregate is 707.28, coarse aggregate 12.5 mm is 464.78, and water is 153 kg per 1 meter cube of concrete. Again mix ratio is 1 for cement, dividing all other all the parameters by 340. I get 1 for cement, 2.471 for fine aggregate, and 3.447 for both, considering both the coarse aggregates. And for separate it is 2.08 for coarse 20 mm aggregate and 1.367 for 12.5 mm aggregate. Water cement ratio is 0.45. again per bag of cement I need to by using 1 bag of cement I need to give 123.55 kg of fine aggregate, 104 kg of 20 mm aggregate, and 68.35 kg of 12.5 mm aggregate, and 22.5 liters of water I need to design mix the concrete. Is all things over here? No. Therefore the test for slump check and compressive strength after 3 days, 7 days and 28 days are needed to ascertain the grade of a concrete. Thank you, students.